That's fun. Not a whole lot more.
All berries and they just slap Christmas on there.
You want some scrapple? You want to try scrapple?
It's what is it?
It's but she needs to leave at noon.
Chris is gonna be over Blackwater too.
So, we'll bust in, 2 groups today. Jim's gotta leave early today. Paul's gotta leave early, so,
You all too?
you guys, okay. So what we'll do, what time you guys gotta leave?
Lunch or a little later.
Okay. So what we'll do is, we're gonna meet Forest Service. There's really 2 guys coming, for the bridge. We won't be very long on the bridge. We're gonna, just lift it up, let it down on the new concrete, anchor it down and build the ramp. And then we're gonna start, cleaning everything up.
How much is gonna be there to haul out? After it's fit in that bucket?
Yeah, I'll have to make trips. I'm gonna try getting those big timbers out. Cause I'd like to save them
Yeah,
and, cause we could use those on future bridge projects.
for ends.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
for the
So
seals.
you'll take the mud truck up there to get the.
Yeah, yeah, so I'll have the muck truck up there. You all, I got some signs that needs to go up on the top end. The shoulder sign, the spring sign, I think it's the 100-mile mark.
Make sure
Sign.
that I have them in far on it.
But I got the signs in the truck, so,
Okay, and I need to make sure I take screws with me.
yes. We brought the screws out,
Yeah, and I think you have all the,
bits.
bits and everything.
Yeah, so we'll get you hooked up with that. So you guys just work on the signs, blazing. Don't worry about doing a whole lot of clearing. I mean, if you find a rough spot, you know what I mean. I know Plantation Trail. It's always a nightmare on Plantation. You all already cleared a bunch going up the hill, right?
Well,
Not
not a
that
bunch, no. We afraid we're gonna miss you also. Well, we do a half mile at that,
If that,
from the bridge.
Okay. And how bad was it? Was it?
It wasn't bad,
not
actually.
too bad.
No.
Okay. Now, from what I remember, I think the downhill from Caney Mountain Shelter down, it's not bad on brush, but it's the Plantation is what's bad.
Where you go across the top.
Where you come down from Caney Mountain, hit Plantation, you bring it across to the shelter, and then you come down Davis Trail.
Because
Oh, okay.
the ALT goes out Plantation.
Yeah. So I think but don't worry about it. I buzzed it a couple years back, but yeah, just concentrate on blazing. I know we've had issues in the past, them covering our blazes up and stuff. And
Who's going to the bridge and who's going,
me and Jim's gonna go to the bridge, and I'm gonna take Troy.
okay.
And then
So that's the rest of us.
And Chris is gonna
Till
show up.
noon.
and Chris is gonna show up at the bridge because he's I don't know if he has to leave early, but anyhow, he's gonna meet at the bridge.
So the rest of us will go up to do the
Yeah.
other stuff, and 3 are leaving noon. 4. They can set their own show.
There's the 100-mile mark.
Both of these sites are going
You go up here.
Okay, so, can you take this, can you take those signs and put screws back?
building the trails and stuff in here, or maybe even could have been collect water to put in a boiler of a narrow gauge railroad when they were logging in here. It's hard to say. I don't know exactly when that was built. Yeah,
It's modernized.
modern, right.
So okay, so pickerel frog and leopard frog?
Yeah, they're about the same size. Now, purple fly, I call them black plague. They have a similar pattern on their back. The better one, the one that you asked about the wood frogs, that was just tiny trickle. So far we've come across 2 little tribs that at this time of year anyway,
that are running.
have water in them, running water. She's gonna see them too. I think she's gonna drop a pin or something on her app. Means I can probably drop a pin somewhere.
Does it show where we are in relation to the other stuff?
Yeah, it does.
Like the shelter, the
shelter,
bridge,
yeah.
or whatever?
Yeah, we're close. Here's us.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the shelter will be right in there.
And that's where they want us to be.
She said beyond that.
I think on that.
Up yet,
Oh, that's cool.
going in the other direction. And
You
that's
think they-
that's the front print right there.
Is any correlation between?
No, the cat print was later.
This
Was
is
after
the predator trail.
That's so cool.
You can tell the cat print 2 ways. There are no claws, and the top of the heel.
Uh-huh.
The top of the heel has a little indentation. On a dog, it'll be rounded towards the toes. And a gray fox can have a print very similar to a cat print, except for that front heel, because a gray fox can pull its claws back into the toes.
I thought that looked like a bear. I couldn't think of anything else that would have been that size.
Right. It wouldn't be the.
Like it literally looks like a friend, like someone waiting, you know, the going is, I've seen the tall ones, at Cooper's Rock, they had, I saw one. Tall, not obviously ready yet, but.
What's back there? Something back there really green.
Wow, that's crazy. I had no idea there was some blue. That's sad.
One of them's in Freeman's County.
Yeah, it don't feel good. Might be good to invest in a. And then Saturday, Sunday, they did this guy. Well, one of them, they already had this one. They did this one on Sunday.